I don't know how many of you took the time to read these words and to think about what they might mean. This is part of a much longer story that I wrote back in 1995, but it feels fresh today because this idea that we're blazing a trail together, a path that will create together. And I'm making the tutorials and the punchline, just because you're following, don't mean I can't relate. This idea that, hey, I understand there's confusion as we move through these days, and mistakes are made. And some are mine, and some are big. And I'm going to try to cover a few of these right now. They're addressed in some other videos, but I just want to run through these so you're aware of them at the start of class tomorrow on Thursday. So, first off, a lot of you are saying, hey, I don't have that screen that you have when I close my window. Okay, I forgot to tell you, up in your menu, you have this little Creative Cloud icon. If your icon is gray, it means you're not logged in. You need to log into the Creative Cloud to activate your account within that application. And then it doesn't mean those images show up right away, but within a day or two, they will show up. So always remember to log in there. And so many people on the Mac Lab today ran into roadblocks where they said, hey, what's wrong? There's something wrong with the website. You need to log out and log back in every day into the Mac Lab. Because otherwise, the browser may just be indicating you're logged in. Now, a few other things that I forgot. Let's save for the web here, okay? I'm going to use the shortcut because you know this, where you save for the web, and I'm just going to click Save. Now, two things. Number one, your idiot teacher, and I mean idiot because I teach this every year, and I make a huge deal about this truncated dialog box. Click this arrow. I tell people in the past, well, today you got blindsided because those students who hit the quest, you encountered this while I was showing you this. Not very fair. My apologies, my sincere apologies. And the second thing that I didn't say is by default, this is selected, hide extension. No, we're working for the web. If you're just a normal person working on a computer, this is no problem. But we're working for the web, and these extensions mean everything. Because if you try to upload that file to the web, that will not work. This, however, does work. So make sure hide extension is deselected. Okay, now I'm going to cancel out of that and hit escape to get out of that, and Command W to close that, and this shows up. Now, maybe this shows up for you. Maybe this shows up. There's two ways these show up. Thumbnail view, list view. And coincidentally, this list view right here, before yours shows up, like I said, it might take a day or two. File, open recent. Not open, open recent. And look at this list. Many meetings, Julius, DPIC. Look over here. Many meetings, Julius, DPIC. See, you've got the same list going on here. So this one has my misspelled Julius Caesar, if you remember that one, right? And that's not going to open anything because that file doesn't exist anymore. Okay, I know I forgot a couple other things, but I just want you to know my fault all the way, okay? We work together. Footsteps blaze the trail taken, right? Many meanings. I want you guys to understand this is a process, and mistakes are part of our journey.